Yep. Did I kill him?
I don't know. You want me to come help you look? Coming.
I got him.
Nice. Is that a player?
Oh, that was 100% a player. Oh, that was a... You got a Corund. I'm gonna look a little different.
Help you look with the flashlight.
I'm just taking this guy's whole kit.
You want me to help you look for his bag quick?
Yeah.
Coming. I have a flashlight. We gotta hurry though. Oh, dude, if old gas isn't open, we might not make it out.
Never mind. He is. I have his backpack here.
All right. We gotta go though soon. This is me running.
Get rid of that. Just taking his 2 Vogs. Okay. His name was Thromps.